how to download Fortnite on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can download Fortnite on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to download Fortnite on PS4, it's very simple. Just open your PlayStation and then open the PlayStation Store. When you open the PlayStation Store, what you basically want to do is you'll see the search bar like this over here, where what you need to do is you just need to go to the search option, which is at the very top, and then hit the search option here. As you go to the search page, inside the search page you just want to go ahead and then search for Fortnite, and on the right hand side you'll see the Fortnite game pop up. Now all you have to do is after the Fortnite page loads up, you'll see the download button. It's an absolutely free game, so you don't have to pay anything. Hit the download button, your download will get started, and after that you can go ahead and then play Fortnite. This way you'll be able to download Fortnite on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.